Hi guys, it's Weedit, and this is the back of one of my pours, but I was going to show you how to sort of clean off these edges, and there's some more paint right here. I used just an ordinary razor blade paint scraper, and truthfully it's time for me to put a new razor blade in this one, but you just clip it in there. So this is very sharp. And if you're cleaning an area, there's some paint right here that I want to get off. Just take it and scrape gently, and the paint comes right off. And this razor blade, you shouldn't do it the way I'm doing it. You should always push away from yourself. So the paint comes off rather easily. And I say that, and of course my razor blade is old and warped and needs to be replaced, but you can see the paint curling up. So it's really easy to clean up and just protect your fingers. I've gotten very lax because I'm so used to using it. But now for the edges, there is a little trick. If you're doing the edge, come from the edge. So you're cutting that paint off at the edge. Otherwise, if I come and do it this way, I risk peeling the paint over the edge, and I don't want to do that. I may want to clean the edges off later, but for the time being, what I want to do is get the paint off and not risk peeling it off to the front. I don't want to take any of the front off. So just use that little paint scraper and come from the edge and work your way in. And I still have a little bit right there, but right now I'm just trying to work and get what the drips off. And that's how you can easily clean up paint drips on the back side of your pour without risking using your pour. And I should have clarified, I am doing this on glass. Now I don't want to, even though I've got a little bit going here, I don't want to pull it, because again, I don't want to pull it over and risk damaging the front of the pour. So outside in. That's just a quick little tip on cleaning up the back side of your acrylic pours on glass. So thank you guys. Bye.